What up, YouTube? This is Geo Stealth R1. What are we doing today? Not sure why I bought this, but I thought this was badass. And it's weird because I do have another oval track RC, but man, there's a massive difference between one and the other. And let's talk about it. This is the Losi 22s dirt late model. And this is pretty much set for oval tracks and everything like that. And proven design says 25 mph speeds, low center of gravity, Summit Racing Edition. Why did I get this one? Well, this one does come with the battery and the charger, and I kind of felt that this was a much nicer RC. It's just me. You know, you have a 30C 2S, 4,000 milliamp. You do have the smart charger. It comes with your transmitter right now is the SL T2 transmitter that's over there. And yeah, let me see what's on this side. Flip you over before we get into this. Alrighty, so let's talk about the transmission. It says the transmission, all metal transmission with adjustable dual slipper clutch, which is pretty cool. Sealed gear differential. I'm liking the way you're able to take off the body, which should be very cool on that portion of it. This actually gives you the length and the measurements of the RC. There's not too much with the RC that you're looking at, but let's open this bad boy up and see what we got. Alrighty, so my first impressions on the exterior, it looks really nicely set up. I'm talking about even the way the body came in. Let's go around. I'm gonna go from the front on how the body is shaped so differently because it's going to be on an oval track. The tires are very plush. It seems like on one side they're open right here. I didn't see nothing where it would switch out, but these are covered up right there. You have a cage that's over there with your little man. He looks like, oh, look, he does articulate somewhere in there. The Summit Racing one came out really nice. From what I understand, I'm able to release the body over here, but I'll get into that in a few. There's just an exterior look from this. Here's the back. I like that this is flaring out the body because a lot of times when it does go, on any situation where you're, either driving it straight or going on the oval track, this will get caught up in the wheels. But they did this really nicely set up. The cage is interesting. The Lexan is. I don't think it's gonna get caught up if you are doing racing. I mean, if it does flip, you should be okay. I ended up looking at the prices for these on the Losi website, and it's not that much money. But yeah, let's crack open the hood. Well, you know what? Before I even get into that, let's see exactly what you get. Alrighty, so you're looking at all the decals. You're able to change out the numbers and have that really set up as your own RC car. They do give you a few tools, and also, is that a horn? That looks like a servo horn, and it looks like it has battery extenders. It does come with the battery 30C 2S, 4,000 milliamp. You do have your controller right there, and then also you do get your batteries right there. And on top of that, with this version, it does give you a booklet, and here is the charger that comes with that. So you do get a lot of stuff, when you buy this particular RC. If you get the two other versions, you're not going to get the charger, you're not going to get the battery, and it's just different types of body styles. So let's crack open the hood on this and see exactly what's in the internals. Alrighty, it came out pretty cool. When you do touch the back of that, this slips out of for the body on there. So I'm going to start from the front into the back. So this is the bumper that will actually rubbing is racing, right? So that's going to be, it sits very low, and that's primarily the way it should be done when you're doing oval racing. You do have your links that are over here. They are adjustable. Damn, these tires feel really nice. Now, also, what we're looking at is we're looking at aluminum shocks that they give you with that. I think this is this is a metal. Feels like metal. I think it is metal. Metal shock tower for the front. This is the servo that they have over there. I do not know the servo number, but from what I understand, it is a metal geared servo. It does feel really nice. on how that sets up. You are utilizing a Spectrum ESC and motor. I believe the motor would be 3300 kV motor. So optimal for 2S. I don't believe you're able to do 3S on this RC, but why would you if you're racing it? So yeah, this really feels nice. I know I'm gonna have to do a comparison video with the other company that does their oval RC, but I'm very impressed on how this one came out. I mean, just look at the details of what they have over here. I mean, that's their transmission case that was advertised on the box as well with the sealed diff. You have metal drive shafts that are in there. On the rear, you see the rear aluminum shocks that are over there. The rear metal shock tower. You have the steel base plate that's underneath there. This is very well constructed, and yeah, why Losi has been on point for so many years. Why wouldn't they construct something really badass? And now that they're getting into this part of the game, I think this one hits it out of the park. So yeah, so tell me what you think. I mean, what are your impressions of what Losi has created with their version of a dirt oval RC? I think they did it really justice. Anyway, rate, comment, subscribe to my on YouTube. Later.